Welcome, myself R. Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, working at KIT, Kalinganath Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. In this video lecturing, we are going to discuss about overlays in web interface design. Overlays are really just lightweight pop-ups. We use the term lightweight to make a clear distinction between it and the normal idea of a browser pop-up. Browser pop-ups are created as a new browser window. Here is an example. Lightweight overlays are shown within the browser page as an overlay for displaying the date, month, and the year. Older style browser pop-ups are undesirable because browser pop-ups display a new browser window. As a result, these windows often take time and sizable chunk of system resource to create. Browser pop-ups often display browser interface controls, example URL bar. Due to security concerns in Internet Explorer 7, the URL bar is permanent fixture on any browser pop-up window. Here is an example. Orbitz, a travel booking website, uses a lightweight DHTML, dynamic HTML overlay for its calendar chooser. Since it does not require the overhead of a separate browser window, it can pop up quickly and it's better integrated into a page visually. If you consider in the previous example, here we have a browser pop-up, the name is display. But if you consider in the same example, it's displaying as a, it's not. By using either Flash or Ajax style techniques, a web application can present a pop-up in a lightweight overlay within the page itself. This has distinct advantage. Lightweight overlays are just a lightweight in-page object. They are inexpensive to create and fast to display. The interface for lightweight overlay is controlled by the web application, not the browser. That is a complete control over the visual style for the overlay. This allows the overlay to be more visually integrated into the application's interface. Lightweight overlays can be used for asking questions, obtaining input, introducing features, indicating progress, giving instructions, or relieving information. They can be activated directly by user events, for example, clicking on an action, hovering over object, or be provided by the web application at various stages in the completion of an action. Three types of overlays. First one is dialog overlay, detail overlay, input overlay. First, let us see what is a dialog overlay. Replace the old style browser pop-ups. Netflix provides a clear example of very simple dialog overlay. In the previously viewed movies for sale section, a user can click on a buy button to purchase a DVD. Since the customer purchasing the DVD is a member of Netflix, all the pertinent shipping and purchasing information is already on record. The complete checkout experience can be provided in a single overlay. Here is an example. Netflix uses lightweight pop-up to confirm a previously viewed DVD purchase. In addition, it also uses lightweight effect to indicate modality. The modality refers to a design approach where the user must complete the current task like clicking OK or cancel before doing anything else. In this example, clicking the buy button initiates the purchase process. And overlay treatment. The confirmation dialog is shown in the lightweight overlay. Since the overlay is modern, interaction is only accepted in the overlay. The rest of the page is dimmed down. The user may also cancel the purchase. Detail overlay. The second type of overlay is somewhat new to web applications. The detail overlay allows an overlay to present additional information when the user clicks or hovers over a link or section of content. Toolkits now make it easier to create overlay across different browsers and to request additional information from the server without refreshing the page. Taking another example from Netflix, information about the specific movie is displayed about the as a user hover over the movie's box art. In the most recent version of Netflix Lite, large box arts are employed without synopsis text. Box art convey a lot of information. Netflix shows back of the box information is an overlay as the user hovers over a movie's box art. Detailed overlay activation, however, often more information is needed to decide whether the movie should be played or added to a movie queue. By providing a synopsis along with personalized recommendation information, the user can quickly make a determination. The movie detail information is displayed after a slightly delay. Detailed overlay deactivation. Moving the mouse out of the box immediately removes the movie detail information. Last one is input overlay. Input overlay is a lightweight overlay that brings additional information for each field tabbed into. American Express uses this technique in its registration for premium cards such as Gold Card. American Express provide input overlay to guide the user through the sign-up process. First, input form. The form is displayed with simple prompt input for each field. No additional help information is shown statically. Input overlay. Tabbing or clicking into any field wraps the field in an overlay. The input overlay provides additional information. Here, obscuring fields. The overlay does obscuring fields just below it, but not to the left or right. Deactivation. Clicking anywhere removes the overlay. This let the user click through the process covered by the overlay. Thank you.